All right, everyone. Welcome to the first outing, Trade and Tribe. Yeah, so it's gonna be really brief, like 30 minutes, because we are not scanning the entire market. So we are just going to see what has
Oh,
we are going to see what has set up in the market. And of course, my name is Coach Madri B. So let me where is my okay, I need to my screen. I need to open my screen. Um, okay, this is not the screen I want to share. Um, okay, okay. Let me just. I usually have a different. I usually have a different laptop, like a different browser for my JIFU. Okay, seen it. JIFU Live.
Wonderful.
How many of us? Please, can we just
Yeah.
okay, let me
To
mute.
what?
Okay, I think I've muted everyone. So, okay. I'm opening JIFU Live now and sharing my share my screen. Okay. How many people entered if you took the trade on Euro USD that was dropped on the JIFU Connect app, just say put one in the chat box. If you took the trade on Euro USD, just put one in the chat box if you took the trade. Did anyone take the Euro USD trade? You can put a one in the chat box if you did. Okay. Because that Euro USD trade has gone 60 pips. It has gone 60 pips. And let me see. Only one. Is it only one person? Only one person took it. You're allowing money to leaving money on the table. All right, so can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Yeah. So let's go straight and check the trend wave scanner. Do you have preferred currency pairs? I trade when I take my personal trades, I trade GBP USD, I trade GBP JPY and USD JPY. So I don't know the one you prefer so that we can check because they're not going to go through the entire market looking for what has set up. And we are going to be using the kill shot. We are going to be using the kill shot and the trend wave strategy. Yes, kill shot together with trend wave. So let's see. And on the 5 minutes time frame. So let me start with GBP USD. Let me start with GBP USD. So if you're new, please watch the video because we are not doing training now. So now we are just looking for opportunities in the market. and we've already shared the about the scanners and how to use them. So let me check. Let me check. Let me see your preferred pairs. Okay. Someone said XAUSD. I'll check XAUSD and stuff, but I don't trade gold unless it's from Tyler Mohammed. I don't take gold, So because right now I'm actually in account building phase, so I don't take gold. But let's see the setup for Euro US GBP USD. Euro USD is already the trade is already in motion. So let me see here. Okay, there's a buy idea for GBP USD, but it's around the entry. This on the 5 minutes time frame is around the entry, but then let's check kill shots, what kill shot is saying. So some of the trades, even if it doesn't set up on this session, because we just have this is just a 30-minute session, by 8:45 we are done. So even if it doesn't set up, you can take note of it and then monitor it till entry. So what is GBP USD saying? Oh, fantastic. GBP USD is for a buy. So it's actually kill shots is showing all the parameters are confirmed, up, below, POC above. So this trade is around the entry, but this area now, these two lines are actually at this top here in the supply zone. So there might be a retracement, a bit of pullback. There might be a bit of pullback, you can see. So you're going to wait. If you're going to enter this trade, you're going to monitor it and wait for this let me see. Wait for these two lines to drop down here. These two lines should drop down. Yes, this is how it's supposed to be. Let it go down to the supply, to the demand zone and all. If it doesn't drop down, then you can leave the trade. Then let me see on the 1 minute time frame if it's close to the entry. This is how you take the trade so that you don't have lessons. On the 1 minute time frame, is already bought. It's already bought. Yeah, so like I said, you can just wait for a bit of retracements back to that entry. Yes, before you take it. So the same, let's look at based on popular demand, the people that like to take gold. Please, if you're new and then you have a small account, please don't take gold. If you're new, like you're less than a week and all, and you've not really learned how to manage your account, please don't take gold. So it is look, gold is buying. There's a trade idea for, what's happening to my chat? Sorry. So there's a buy idea for gold. Look at it there. There's a buy idea for gold. There's a long idea, but then this trade might actually, look at where it is. It might actually do a bit of, on 5 minutes time frame, it might do a bit of retracement back, because now the volume the volume bars here are showing, there's been a bit of buy. So there's going to be a bit of a retracement. So you see some of the downward volumes here, and or you can just continue to move and exhaust this. Like Manny would say, if you join Manny's session, if he's gonna take, unless you've actually been in gold trades, you're actually still in the trades and hold positions, then you can do your dollar cost averaging and say, even if you enter at this point, it's going to be, and it retraces, you still have those other positions, that would sort of balance out your accounts. And I remember on his session yesterday, he said, for him, he's not going to look for a buy on gold in this position, around this area. So let's look at the kill shots for confirmation for those who are taking gold. Okay. So kill shots, for those taking gold, kill shot actually has is actually all blue, like showing you that there's a bit of uptrend, that the uptrend is actually very solid across all time frames. Yeah, so then what you're going to do, if you're going to take this trade, this red star has appeared, so it's going to likely just do a bit of pullback to this, what do you call this, to this EMA here, and then bounce back up. So you'd want to watch and wait for it to come around, come back. Since this red has popped up on kill shots, you want to wait for it to come to this EMA, and then once it gets to around this position, and you should actually open your kill shot in front of you. Once it gets to this position, then you can take the trade. Yes. Once it start, because the green star was here, it bought. Then the moment the red star, if you're in a buy, right? If you're in a buy, and the moment you see the red star or any of these stars pop up, it shows you that there's going to be a bit of pullback in the market. Let's look at this chart. There was a green star. At this point. Let me this. Where is that arrow? There was a green star at this point, and then it went up here, a red star popped up, and then look at what happened. The market actually started coming back, like retracing the moment that red star popped up. And then again, from that point, it came down, and then the green star again popped up. The moment the green star popped up, the yellow star actually popped up, and the market actually retraced. So whenever you see you're in a trade and any of those stars starts popping up, just know that there's going to be a bit of retracement. And you can see here for gold that it's already coming down a bit. So it means you should just wait. So, and I believe gold might actually sell back because it's being pulled. This EMA is actually pulling it. This 258 is actually pulling it. So be careful. So that's gold for those who trade gold, so that you can watch. That's the entry. And please, you must not take all the stops, all the exits. So this is the entry. Target your number of pips, whether it's 50 or 60 pips. Once it hits there, you exit the market. So let's look at let's look at other currency pairs. Please, which currency pairs do you prefer? Because I've told you already that I take USD JPY, GBP JPY, and GBP USD. So which one do you prefer? You you can type currency pair in the chat box. Just I go to look at you. This I was in this trade yesterday. And then it actually started pulling back. Yeah, and now it's actually started trading again. Yeah, so this one is actually already gone. This trade is already gone, so we can't enter USD JPY. We can't enter USD JPY, so it's gone. Let's see. Euro USD is already buying. Is already buying, and only two people. You can see. I put ahead. This is where I put my stop loss. Yeah, no, my not. I'm already in profit in this trade, and it's currently a risk-free trade for me. Yeah, it's already done 70 pips. Let me move my stop loss, up. I'm trading my stop loss currently, yeah, on this trade. Okay. So I've secured some profits until it hits my profit target. Typically, I do just exit two or three, but this one, the educator dropped a trade idea, and then let me see where that trade idea stopped. The profit target for that trade idea. Let me see. Um, okay, no, it actually has, like wider profit, more profits, but I'm not going all the way. So yeah, it has the take profit one is 1.13409, take profit two 1.13811, 1.14611. So my own is 1 point. I usually, like I said, I don't wait. I create my own take profits. Yeah, so I put my own somewhere around the exit 5 of this Euro USD. So let's check other traders. What do you guys trade? I mean, I'm asking people GBP JPY, GBP JPY. Someone said GBP JPY. I've already done people that are dropping gold. The we've already looked at gold, and I said you need to check. GBP USD is currently on a sell trend, but let's see. Okay, it's actually an entry, but let me see on kill shots. GBP JPY. Okay, yes, GBP JPY is actually good. Is actually good around it's almost at TP1. It's almost at TP1, GBP JPY guys. But what you could do, these two wavy lines on the this area is actually called RSI. So these two wavy lines on the RSI is actually entering the green zone. So what you're going to do is, I can't be monitoring it for you. So what you're going to do is wait for these two wavy lines, the red and green line, to to go back, let it go back to that red zone. When I'm taking a trade, I want to be sure that, say, allow it to go back to this red zone. Can you see the arrow, the blue arrow I just did? Can you see the blue arrow, below on the RSI? Please just type it in the chat box if you can see it. Okay, all right, awesome. Awesome. It shows you're following. Yeah, so you wait for it, let it pull back to that zone. See, when you're selling, these things on the scanner, they're actually there to protect you. So when you're selling, you just allow it to go back. You sell from this red area. If it's okay if you're already in the sell and it pulls back to the green zone, but if you're going to take this entry, allow it to go back, it's going to go back up. Allow it to pull back up. But if it doesn't pull back up, then just allow it. I'm not the one I won't be the one. I'm a disciplined trader, so I'm not going to be the one to tell you jump in when the trade is almost at TP1. Yeah, so let's be guided. So let's see. And I assume that all the JPY pairs are actually, yeah. This one, AUD JPY, I don't take AUD JPY, but AUD JPY is already at exit 4, getting to exit 5. So even the SHEP JPY, we were told to discard it because it didn't get to our zone. It didn't get to our zone, before it started selling. It's important to sell from the zone that you were given, unless you were monitoring this trade and then kill shot and trend wave lined up. So so far, we have gold. For those people that are taking gold, we have gold. So this chef JPY is about to do a bit of pullback. Yeah, up. Okay. So let me see. We are London session. We should be looking at GBP card. We should be looking at GBP card. So let's see GBP card if it has anything for us. My goodness. This GBP card has already moved. Let me see when this thing started moving. It started moving at about 6:30. Yeah, that was when it started moving. And it's already done 40 Ps. It's already done 40 Ps. So we'll not look at this trade. Let's see Euro card. Let's see the Euro pairs, because this is actually London session. Let's see. The same thing. It's like this pair started moving quite early. This one is already at TP2. So see, opportunities will always set up in the market. So don't yield to FOMO, fear of missing out, and think, let's see Euro odd, and think, oh, you've missed out. No, you've not missed out. So for a lot of these trades we are looking at now, in the New York session, there'll be, they might be selling, there might just be reversal, in the opposite direction. So you can You can watch them, Euro USD, GBP USD, and stuff. You can just watch them. Someone said US 30. Okay, let's look at US 30. Even though for me, for okay, which pair is this? Euro GBP. Euro GBP is actually for a short. It's actually for a short. Let's see the trend for Euro GBP on kill short. It's actually for a sell. Trend wave is saying a sell. So let's see. Let's see. So can someone tell me this Euro GBP trend wave is saying a sell, and then look at what is on kill short. So can we sell this trade or not? Can we sell this market? Trend wave says a sell, and then kill short gives these indicators. So can we sell this market? Okay, okay, okay. No, wait, no. Awesome, awesome, fast, fantastic. It actually means that the learning is entering. We can't sell this market, because look, the only the M1, only the M1 is showing red. Every other thing is actually showing blue, so we cannot sell this market. We can't just sell this market at this point. And there was a blue star here on kill shots, sure. After it had gone down a bit, the blue star popped up to show that there is a reversal of trend. So we can't sell this market yet. So for this one, you can take note of Euro GBP and monitor it. If the trend changes, then you can enter it for a sell. You can enter for a sell, but for now, don't take it. Don't take it. So we have like four, Abi. We have about 5 or 6 minutes more. Let's look at US 30. Even though, like I said, I I trade for indices. I trade SPX 500. It's called US 500 as well. I prefer calling it US 500. So let's look at your US 30. Let's look at US 30. Uh, it's US 30 is actually selling. It's actually selling. Uh, yeah, it's selling on trend wave. It's given the entry and it's already hit TP1. But let's see what kill short says. Okay. Okay, yeah, so it's actually selling. So what you do is that you wait for it to come back, let it come back to entry, because from the RSI below, from the RSI, and it's actually in the green. The RSI lines is actually in the green zone. So allow it to pull back up to the red zone. So by the time it pulls back, it's pulling back, to entry. So that's you can also monitor it on kill shot as well. The star has popped up here. So just watch it. Don't enter yet. Don't enter yet. In fact, the if I were to use if you check Sniper Pro, let me quickly show Sniper Pro, and then how to also use it to confirm your direction. I use it especially for indices. So this Sniper Pro, I think I'll do a training on Sniper Pro. Maybe I might do it tomorrow. Okay. So same 5 minutes time frame that we're looking at, and then same US 30. Same US 30. So, okay. So Sniper Pro, the market is actually selling. The market is actually selling and has actually is actually sold on Snipe. Oh, wow, this is the indication is quite strong, even though it's saying weak. When you have plus 7. When should we do a training on Sniper Pro? When should we do a training on Sniper Pro, guys? You can suggest a day and time in the chat box when we should do this Sniper Pro training. So for US 30, it started, look at, it even gave the yellow candle. It gave the yellow candle and it gave, it's already, there's going to be a pullback because it's already entering like a demand zone. It's already entering a demand zone. So you wait for it to pull back. Yeah. So even Sniper Pro is showing there is a bit of pullback. So wait for it to pull back up, and then your entry is 41,127. So wait for it to go back to that zone. Yeah, before you take the trade. So now we have two trades that we are looking out for. US 30, we are waiting for it to pull back to entry. And then Euro GBP, we are waiting for the confirmation of trend on kill shorts, whether we should sell or not. So, and also for that Euro GBP, if the trend, you can see for US 30 is already going back up. So if you're taking the trade, be watchful so that you know when it gets to entry. You can set a sell limit for the entry. Set a sell limit for the entry here. Take these parameters, the entry, the invalidation, set it on your MT5, and then put your take profits. Like I said, you must not wait for all the exits. Put your take profits and then leave it. When it gets to that area, it will trigger. And also, even though you set a sell limit, also always check, watch the markets, especially these ones it's quite close. Also check whether the trend is still valid at the time your trade triggers. So, okay. So let's see. Okay. You said when should we do the training? Tomorrow, this evening. No, let's do it. Okay, let's do it tomorrow. Let's do tomorrow. Okay, I should check gold again. Okay, this meeting will end in exactly 3 minutes so that we can. Yeah, gold. What was the entry again for gold? And you can screenshot these entries or write it down. For gold, what was the entry again? Let's see. Yeah, the entry is actually around that entry, 3374.46. Let me see. Let me turn this button on and see. Yeah. So it's this candle will close in a minute, 40 seconds. So you can allow this candle close before you enter the trade. Yeah, so allow the candle to close and the next candle to open. Yes. So that was for gold. It actually came, yeah. So that's why I said you should watch. It actually came to very good zone, 3371. 3371. Okay. So be watching your US 30. Is actually pulling back. It's actually pulling back and it's going back to that area of entry. So please watch it. So we have US30, we have gold, we have Euro GBP. So please monitor your trades. Monitor your trades. Okay. So that will be all. That will be all. Let me see the Euro USD before we leave. And please try and join Manicure's sessions. Try and join Manicure sessions. That yesterday in the class we made was it almost 40 pips? We made 40 pips in that GBP USD, and those that stayed longer in the trade made even more. Okay, so this one is already at the profit area. This market has moved considerably. Guys, use your tools. Use your tools. This market has moved considerably, almost 60 something, almost 70 pips. Use your tools, guys. So I think we'll just take one or two questions and then close. Night is very okay for training, so you can do it tomorrow night. I'll put up the notice. We'll do it tomorrow night. Man, the Euro USD trade idea on my that I took is actually blazing. It's actually blazing. I took, because I was watching, I took it, like 20 pips, below the entry that was given. So I got a lot of advantage because I was monitoring it. So the trade is currently 60 pips from the entry given, but mine is actually 80 pips. When is the best time to take a trade? We don't have time to answer it now. It's a question that has three parts. But I think in that session tomorrow, when we take the Sniper Pro, I'll address it. So thank you, everyone. See you on Thursday, same time. Bye.